Question number 1. According to the excavated evidence, the domestication of animal began in option number B, Mesolithic period. Question number 2. In Mesolithic context, evidence of animal domestication has been found at option number C, Adamgarh. Question number 3. The cultivation of cereals first started in option number A, Neolithic age. 4. The earliest evidence of a man in India is found in option number D, Narmada Valley. 5. The first cereal used by man was option number C, barley. I think it's question number 6. Okay. The earliest evidence of agriculture in Indian subcontinents comes from option number B, Lahura Deva. Question number 7. Which one of the following periods is also known as Chalcolithic age? Option number C, Copper age. 8. Where are the caves of Bhimbetka situated? Option number D, Abdullahganj Rizwan. 9. Which of the following sites has yielded skeleton of the dog along with the human skeleton in burial? Option number B, Burzaham. 10. The evidence of pit dwelling has been obtained from option number A, Burzaham. 11. Indus civilization existed in option number B, early historical age. 12. Which color was commonly used in Harappan pottery? A, red. 13. Which among the following Harappan sites terracotta of plough was found? Option number B, Banawali. 14. The Great Bath was found from the Indus Valley civilization at option number A, Mohenjo-daro. 15. Rangpur, where the contemporary of Harappan civilization were found, is in option number C, Saurashtra. 16. Which site of Indus Valley civilization is located in India? Option number C, Lothal. 17. The fourth city of Indus Valley civilization was option number C, Lothal. 18. The largest site of Harappa in India is option number D, Rakhigadi. 19. Who was the director of archaeological excavation that led to the discovery of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro? Option number B, Sir John Marshall. 20. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? Not correctly matched. Option number D, Dholavira B.K. Thappar is not correctly matched. 21. Which Harappan city is divided into 3 parts? Option number C, Dholavira. 22. Which of the following sites has yielded evidence of a triple burial? Option number C, Lothal. 23. Which one of the following animals is not depicted on the Harappan seal? Option number C, horse. 24. Which of the following civilization flourished on the bank of river Nile? Option number D, Egyptian civilization. 25. Which one of the following is the oldest Veda? Option number V, Rigved. 26. In which Vedic text the term Varna is found referred for the first time? Option number A, Rigved. 27. The Purush Sukta related to Varna system originally found in option number C, Rigved. 28. Which one of the following 4 Vedas contains an account of magical charms and spells? Option number C, Atharva Ved. 29. In Rigved, there are dash hymns. Option number A, 1028. 30. Which one of the following Brahman text belongs to the Rigved? Option number A, Aitariya Brahman. 31. The 9th mandal of Rigved Samhita is devoted wholly to option number D, Soma, and the god who is named after the drink. 32. The earliest evidence of the use of iron in India has been discovered from option number B, Atranji Khera. 33. Which one of the following Vedic literatures talks about salvation? Option number D, Upanishads. 34. The famous dialogue between Nachiketa and Yama is mentioned in the option number C, Katha Upanishad. 35. Which one of the following is the correct order of the Vedic literature? Option number A, Vedic Samhita, Brahmans, Aranak and Upanishad. 36. The river most mentioned in early Vedic literature is option number A, Sindhu. 37. Vedic river Askini is identified with which one of the following rivers? Option number C, Chenab. 38. During the Rig Vedic period, Nishak was an ornament of option number B, neck. 39. Vogaskoi is important because option number B, inscriptions were found which mentioned the names of Vedic gods and goddesses. 40. The name of scriptures in which Purush Medha was mentioned is option number C, Satpat Brahman. 41. Famous battle of 10 kings was fought on the bank of the river. Option number D, Purushni. 42. The Rigvedic tribal assembly associated with judicial functions was option number A, Sabha. 43. Who among the following is regarded as the word god in the Rigved? Option number B, Indra. 44. Gayatri Mantra is found in which book? Option number C, Rigved. 45. In which language was the Srimad Bhagavad Gita originally written? Option number A, Sanskrit. 46. From where the word Satyameva Jayate taken? Option number D, Mundak Upanishad. 47. The literal meaning of which Upanishad is white horse? Option number D, Shavetasvatara. I think it's 48. Question number 48. Fundamental or basic script of the Rigved was option number D, Brahmi. 49. Aghanna in Rigved is mentioned for option number B, cow. 50. The teacher who taught Vedanga for livelihood was called option number C, Upadhyaya. So that's all for today. It was lecture number 1 of ancient history. I'll bring more videos on ancient history. So keep watching, keep learning. See you in the next video. Thank you.